equal to opposite angles are equal. This also x. This opposite angle are equal y. This opposite angle are equal z. How many x's is there? 2x is there. 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360 degrees. Total how many degrees is there? 360. But x is to y is to z. X is equal to 2a, y is equal to 3a, z is equal to 5a. Let అనుకోవడమే just. Sum of 3 is equal to how much is there? Total sum of 3 is equal to sum of degrees is equal to 360 degrees. 2 into x is equal to 2a. Substitute this equation. 2 into y is equal to 3a. 2 into z is equal to 5a is equal to 360. 2 2 ja 4a. 2 3 ja 6a. 2 5 ja 10a is equal to 360. 6 plus 10 20a. 20a. 20a is equal to 360. అప్పుడు a is equal to 360 by 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 18 ja. A is equal to 18. But x is equal to what is that?
If x value be not found.
X is equal to 2a. But a is equal to 18. X is equal to 2 into 18. X is equal to 36 degrees. Y is equal to 3a. 3a is equal to 3 into 18. 3 18 ja 54. 54 degrees. Y is equal to 54 degrees. Next, z is equal to 5a. Is equal to 5 into 18. 5 18 ja 90 degrees. అప్పుడు z is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 36 degrees. Y is equal to 54 degrees. Z is equal to 90 degrees. This is the answer. Cancel.